What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna be making a little skillet of cornbread because I don't need that big old skillet of cornbread. I just need a little bit to get us by. So let's get started. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Here is my little skillet. Y'all, this skillet is so old. Look at it. But I love it though. Okay, now, just FYI, if you want to double this recipe, you can use your cast iron. Just multiply everything by 2. Back to my little skillet. Alright, you want to get 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil into your skillet. And go ahead and get this in the oven so it can get hot. Alright, so you need 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal mix, and this is the brand I'm using. It's by Morrison's. 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add more, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine all of this together before you start adding your wet ingredients. Alright, now add 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and mix that up. Last ingredient is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. To get your oil mixed in, y'all, I go on the outside and then I go in really fast. Like I go around the outside rim and then I go really fast. Outside rim, really fast. Outside rim and really fast. You get it? Now that everything is combined, you want to get your skillet out of the oven. It's really, really hot, y'all, but that's what you want. So, now get that mix up in there. That sizzle is what you want to hear, y'all. Now you want to get this into a 400-degree oven, as stated earlier, and bake it until it's golden brown and cooked all the way through. And there we go. And there you have it, y'all. A little skillet of cornbread. This baked for about 22 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven. Let's see how we did. I just cut the first piece. Let's give it a taste. Pretty tasty, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one.